MoonPay Crypto On-Ramp Honest Review. Links to the product are added in the description for your convenience. MoonPay is a fiat to crypto payment service designed to make buying digital assets as simple as making a standard online payment. Instead of operating like a traditional trading exchange with charts and order books, MoonPay focuses on one job: helping users convert regular money into cryptocurrency directly through wallets, apps, and decentralized platforms. That makes it especially useful for beginners who want to buy crypto quickly without opening a full exchange account. But it is also widely used by experienced users because it is integrated directly into many wallets and Web3 applications. The biggest advantage of MoonPay is convenience. Users can buy major cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and stablecoins using debit cards, credit cards, bank transfers, and local payment methods depending on region. In many cases, people do not even realize they are using MoonPay because it operates behind the payment window inside wallets such as MetaMask or NFT marketplaces. That direct integration is one of its strongest features because it removes extra steps. Instead of buying crypto on one platform and then transferring it somewhere else, users often receive assets directly into their wallet during checkout. For someone entering crypto for the first time, that reduces confusion significantly. Another important feature is broad ecosystem compatibility. MoonPay is not only a standalone service, but also infrastructure used by many crypto products, including NFT platforms, decentralized wallets, and Web3 services. This means users often encounter it when buying assets for NFTs, gaming tokens, or decentralized finance participation. The interface is intentionally minimal. Choose asset, choose payment method, complete identity verification if required, and confirm the wallet destination. Transactions are usually processed quickly, although speed can vary depending on payment type and verification status. Fees are one area users need to understand clearly. MoonPay often charges higher fees than large centralized exchanges, especially for card purchases, because it prioritizes convenience and instant settlement rather than low-cost trading. That means it works best for users making occasional purchases or needing immediate wallet funding, not for large repeated buying where exchange fees matter more. Security is strong at the payment level, with identity checks, fraud monitoring, payment encryption, and compliance systems built into the process. However, because crypto is delivered directly to the wallet provided by the user, entering the correct wallet address is critical. MoonPay is best for beginners, NFT buyers, and wallet users who need fast access to crypto without learning exchange systems. It is not built for trading, staking, or advanced portfolio management, but it performs extremely well as a direct entry point into crypto. Overall, MoonPay succeeds because it simplifies the hardest first step for many users, getting digital assets quickly into the place they actually want to use them.